The animal of the day, March 31st, is the extinct Archaeopteryx. Type: Avialae dinosaur. Diet class: carnivore. Average lifespan estimated to be 5 to 10 years. Size: up to 20 inches or 50.8 centimeters in length. Wingspan: approximately 24 inches or 61 centimeters. Weight: 1.8 to 2.2 pounds or 0.8 to 1 kilogram. Population status currently March 31st, 2025, extinct. Population estimate: none, extinct. Native lands: modern-day southern Germany. Primary habitat: shallow coastal lagoons and forested areas. Main predators: theropods. Diel activity: likely diurnal. Species age: emerged 150.8 million years ago and extinction occurred 148.5 million years ago. Notes: the Archaeopteryx, sometimes referred to in German as Urvogel, is a genus of avian dinosaur from the Tithonian age of the late Jurassic period. It was originally believed that the Archaeopteryx was the oldest known bird, but there may be other potentially older birds nonetheless. It is still considered to be one of the most primitive birds. During the late Jurassic period, Europe was an archipelago of islands in a shallow, warm tropical sea much closer to the equator than it is now. The Archaeopteryx was similar in size to an Eurasian magpie, with the largest individuals possibly being similar to a raven, with the largest discovered species being about 1.6 feet or 48.8 centimeters in length. Despite the Archaeopteryx's small size, broad wings, and inferred ability to fly or glide, it had more characteristics in common with small Mesozoic dinosaurs than with modern birds, such as having jaws with sharp teeth, 3 fingers with claws, a long bony tail, hyperextensible second toes known as killing claws, feathers which suggest warm-bloodedness, and various features of the skeleton. These features make the Archaeopteryx a possible transitional fossil between non-avian and avian dinosaurs. The type species Archaeopteryx lithographica was discovered 2 years after Charles Darwin published his On the Origin of Species, which had seemed to be proven true with the discovery of the Archaeopteryx. A total of 14 body fossils of the Archaeopteryx genus has been discovered, 12 of which believed to be of the same species, primarily in the Solnhofen limestone in Bavaria, southern Germany, which is a Lagerstätte. In 2011, graduate student Ryan Carney and colleagues performed the first color study on an Archaeopteryx specimen by using scanning electron microscopy technology and energy dispersive X-ray analysis. And it was found that the organism contained the structure of melanosomes in the isolated feather specimen that was the first described in 1861. There is currently one fully recognized species within the Archaeopteryx genus, Archaeopteryx lithographica, as previously mentioned, being the type species. Although the taxonomic history is complicated, another species, Archaeopteryx siemensi, has been described, but it is debated on possibly being a synonym instead, and in 2018. A new species that was proposed to be of the same genus was discovered and described, Archaeopteryx albersdoerferi, but it is presently not fully accepted as a species. When compared to the wings of modern birds, the flight feathers of the Archaeopteryx were somewhat asymmetrical and the tail feathers were rather broad, implying that the wings and tail were used for lift generation, though it is unclear whether it was capable of flapping flight or if it was just a glider. The Archaeopteryx lacks a bony breastbone, which suggests that it was not a very strong flyer, although flight muscles might have been attached to the thick, boomerang-shaped wishbone, the plate-like coracoids, or to a cartilaginous sternum. The Archaeopteryx's wings were relatively large, which would have resulted in a low stall speed and reduced turning radius, with the short and rounded shape of the wings likely increased drag, but could have also improved its ability to fly through cluttered environments such as trees and brush. Every day is a new animal, so subscribe for more.